Let's start. These appeals are at the instance of the Chief Revenue Controlling Officer of Registration and two other revenue officers, seeking to challenge the judgment and order passed by the High Court of Judicature at Madras, by which the High Court allowed the civil miscellaneous appeals filed by the respondent herein under Section 47 of the Indian Stamp Act 1899, and thereby quashed and set aside the order passed by the Chief Revenue Controlling Officer of Registration with respect to the stamp valuation stop. The subject matter of this litigation is the valuation shown in the two sale deeds registered as DOC number 487 dated 5/9/2002 and 488 dated 2/9/2000 respectively. The respondent herein is the purchaser. He got the two sale deeds executed through the original owner of the property in question. The market value of the entire property covered in both the sale deeds is rupees 1,20,000 and rupees 1,30,000 respectively. It appears that the joint sub-registrar, Trivandrum, on receipt of the two registered sale deeds declined to release the documents on the premise that the sale consideration shown in the two sale deeds was undervalued para. The matter was accordingly referred by the joint sub-registrar to the special duty collector within bracket stamps under Section 47 within bracket A of the Act for the purpose of determining the correct market value of the property. It also issued notice in Form 1 fixing the value of the properties in DOC number 487 of 2002 at rupees 45 lakhs and property in DOC number 488 of 2002 at rupees 13 lakhs respectively. The special deputy collector stamps on conclusion of the inquiry fixed the market value of the property covered under DOC number 487 of 2002 at rupees 51 lakhs. The respondent herein being dissatisfied with the order passed by the special deputy collector within bracket stamps referred a statutory appeal before the Inspector General of Registration. The appeal came to be dismissed in such circumstances referred to above. The respondent herein went before the High Court by filing civil miscellaneous appeals under Section 47 within bracket A of the Stamp Act para. The High Court allowed both the appeals and thereby quashed and set aside the orders passed by the authorities below. The appellants feeling dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court have come up before this court with the present appeal. We have heard, the learned counsel appearing for the appellants and MS Rohini Musha, the learned counsel appearing for the respondent. We take notice of the fact that the High Court, while allowing the civil miscellaneous appeals, has observed in paras 20 and 21 respectively as that being the legal position, if the contention raised on the side of the learned counsel appearing for the appellant is appreciated in the legal proposition as above laid down by the Supreme Court full bench, division bench and single judges of our High Court, it would compel this court to hold that the proceedings referring the documents for determination of the market value without recording any reason to say that the document is undervalued, thus without performing the statutory obligation cast upon the third respondent registering officer to record such reasons. Stop. Thank you.